Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. On this week's episode of the Barndo channel, we're outside of Marshall, Texas to bring you a look at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath Barndo we're calling the Loretta Cabin. This is a beautiful 1,500 square foot layout. We've got light stone on the exterior with an evergreen roof. You can see we've got white on white windows with light stone trim around the windows and the doors. We also have an exterior wainscoting that you can see that's about 3.5 foot up that wall on the front. And then you can see our patio area and areas around the house. We've used that same stone color to get some of our patio feel, some walkways, things like that. Overall, we've got 1,500 square foot. We've got a 2-car carport also added onto this layout, and we've got a full-length back porch, and then our front porch is just a small lean-to area that gives you some covering for the entrance. When we go on the inside here, you're going to see a lot of tongue and groove, a lot of custom finish out on the trim work, and just a beautiful, simple design that gives us a real good cabin feel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that now. We would love to have you leave questions and comments in the comment area below. Don't forget to ring that bell so that you can get notifications every time we post content here on the Barndo channel. You can get notified and see what's going on here with 1845 Barndominiums. If you're interested in making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums, you can check us out on social media. You can go to our website, 1845barndominiums.com. Let us know what your project entails, and we would love to talk to you about how to get the process started. So we're going to head inside now and show you guys the Loretta Cabin and give you a look at this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath Barndo. So let's head in the front door and show you this 2-bedroom, really 1.5 bath. So you can see immediately we've got tongue and groove everywhere. On our ceiling, on our walls, you'll see we've got trim to match throughout the house. So I'm standing right at the front door right here. You can see our kitchen area. We've got French doors here that lead out to the back porch and a dining area. And then if I back up just a little bit, I'm standing in the living area, so I'm going to give you a view of our living area there. And we've got a propane fireplace set up here, a beautiful mantel. And this mantel was actually, this wood was actually milled from the property here and installed for our customer here. So a little custom piece there for them. Now we've got raised panel cabinetry in the kitchen. We've got Formica countertops. We do have oven range combo and a microwave, and that's about it as far as appliances go. We don't have a dishwasher or anything here. We've got a stainless steel sink, and we do have a twin window above that that gives us a really good view of the back patio and the back of the property. We've got our setup right here for refrigerator. We just don't have refrigerator installed at this time. And then of course French doors out to the back patio, which we'll take you back out there in just a little bit. Now, off of the kitchen area right here, we do have a pantry space. So we've got a pantry area set up in here, and we have some shelving in there for them to utilize. We've got some plugs in there in case we wanted to put a deep freeze or anything like that in that room. So let's head down the hallway here and kind of show you the layout of the rest of the house. We have 2 full bedrooms, and then we've got a 1.5 bath. We've got a really unique setup as far as our bathroom goes back here and our laundry room. So this would be bedroom number 2, and you can see we've got, of course, our sheetrock walls. We've got our trim that matches our tongue and groove throughout the house. We've got 12-inch window sills here, single window inside. And then we've got our closet space here. Show you guys the closet layout. So we've got shelving on one side, floor to ceiling here. And then we've got upper and lower hanging rods on the other side. Really spacious closets in both of these bathrooms. And as we head out, I'm actually going to take you right across to the master. So if we go into the master bedroom, we've got 2 single windows here. And then if I spin around, just going to give you a panorama. So that is the actual toilet and sink access to the master. We'll show you that setup in just a second. And then we've got full closet right here, step-in closet, same setup as the other. We've got upper and lowers in there. And then we've also got shelving on the other side. But then we also, in the master here, we've got a setup where we've got some storage built in here. So this is just open storage that the customer wanted built into the floor plan. And so now I'm going to take you out to show you, take you out of the master here and come in the bathroom area from the hallway and kind of show you the setup that we have here. So bedroom 2 can come in here and access sink and toilet area, and you see more of that knotty pine cabinetry and trim. Now this is our laundry room, and it kind of doubles as our mechanical room. So we've got set up here for washer and dryer, and then we've also got our water heater right here, and it is vented out actually on the side of the house there. We've got our electrical panel. So we've got our full mechanical setup in this room with our washer and dryer. Now going back to the bathroom area. So again, bedroom 2 can come in here. Now we have a Jack and Jill set up for the shower area. So bedroom 2 can come in here and access. This is about a 6x3 cultured marble shower. We've got shower niche built in there, and we've got some handrails also installed. And then we come over here and we've got our Jack and Jill set up for the master. So the master has their own access to, you can see the door there to the back porch. But then we have basically a half bath setup just for the master. And that, we have a pocket door here. We'll back up and show you. So we've got a pocket door right there that leads them into this half bath. But another thing that we can do is if you're outside working, mowing, other things, you can come in right here off the back patio and you've got access to the toilet and sink. So just a kind of a neat setup that we've got here. Again, this is 2 bedrooms. I would call this 1.5 bath, 1,500 square foot. It is a 50 by 30. And it's just got a real rustic feel to it. We've got, again, we're coming back into that living and kitchen area. You can see all the tongue and groove that we've got here. A lot of knotty pine. We've got some cedar as well in this layout. So simple as far as the design goes. Maybe not so upscale on the finishes and things like that, but it serves a purpose. It's exactly what the homeowner wanted. Again, those are those allowance items that our homeowner comes in and tells us exactly kind of the vibe or the feel that they're going for. And then we try to create that as best we can. So I'm going to take you out. We're going to finish out on the back patio. They also have a shop off the back here. I'm going to show you that. So if we come out here to the back patio, you can see the back side of the property. We've actually got some stonework out here with a little outdoor fire pit set up. For a lounge area, we do have a well shed built out here to match the home. No soffits on these porches. We do have some electrical pre-run out here just in case they wanted to put fans or anything out. And then of course you can see we've got our 30 by 30 shop over here. Again, color and everything set up to match the house. So we've got a 30 by 30 shop with a 10-foot lean-to off the side. And so we've just got a really good setup. We also have a carport out here. We'll show you that as we go around. On the panorama earlier, we showed you a little look at that. You can see the full property, shop, and everything included. You can see everything that we've got included on the property here. So that's going to wrap up our tour here. Again, we're outside of Marshall, Texas. This is a 2-bedroom, really 1.5 bath, 1,500 square foot. It's a 50 by 30 slab. And so we're going to wrap up today. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. All right, folks, that's going to wrap up this week's episode of the Barndo channel. Again, we're outside of Marshall, Texas to bring you the Loretta Cabin, a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,500 square foot Barndo. We've got front and back porches, 2-car carport on the side, and also a 30 by 30 shop that we've got. Everything on this property you can see we've color matched as far as our light stone on the exterior and our evergreen on the top, the roof area. Our trim is light stone and our windows are all white. Just a beautiful combination of everything coming together on this property. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that now. We would love to have questions and comments in the comment area below, and don't forget to ring that bell if you want to get notified of all of our content, everything that we post here on the Barndo channel, and keep up with us at 1845 Barndominiums. You ring that bell and you'll get notifications each week as we post content. Don't forget to check out our website, 1845barndominiums.com. We would love to talk to you about how to make your dream home a reality, whether it's buying floor plans, a kit, a shell, or a turnkey build, just like the Loretta here. We would love to talk to you. One of our sales team members can tell you how to get the process started of making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode this week. We'll see you again next time on the Barndo channel.